But his greatest enemy was loneliness. When darkness fell, he imagined unseen predators stalking him. To keep his mind alive, he sang hymns, read the Bible, and spoke to himself. Each night, a new hallucination. Each day, a new battle. For 4 years and 4 months, Selkirk endured, until one day a ship appeared on the horizon. Thin, ragged, dressed in goatskins, he waved fire and smoke into the sky. They pulled him aboard. Against all odds, he lived. Alexander Selkirk, a sailor who became one of history's greatest survivors. His extraordinary tale would later inspire one of the greatest novels ever written, Robinson Crusoe.